Good morning, my dear students. This is Srinivas, your science friend from scientificstudents.com. On the 3rd August 2023, I'm so happy to share today's my tinkering. I'm building a wonderful power conditioning unit for my renewable energies. Okay, so I wanted to demonstrate how especially solar energy works for all of you with various gadgets. So I brought a lot of components with all my 30 years of experience in power electronics, and I'm integrating all of them. Okay, so finally, the reason I'm trying to share this little video clip with you all, so this is called planning. So once I complete this project, anyway, I'm going to record another video for the functionality of this entire thought of mine. But however, at that time, you won't be able to see what is the internal tinkering. Okay, so that's how I have well planned the way I need to bring the components and choosing the components, selecting the components from various sources, procuring them, and then purchase and all that, collecting them, and finally, getting the required cabinet to be fabricated. And like this is now I have painted and I kept it for dry. So on the top of that cabinet, I'll be installing all this stuff like that. So before I do the real tinkering, totally fixing back onto my thought. So idea and the thought is taking place as a working model. So never before. Okay, lot many things. I'm integrating so that you can see literally everything in a single moment. All the kind of various electrical appliances, how do they work on solar power? Okay, so here especially the way the construction lines on this particular plank are going to help you to make the required square and round and rectangular holes required to be used for installing all these components. Okay, so I have energy meters and then breakers and then load connectors and controllers and cooling fan, whatnot. There are many. Anyway, I can tell you at this point of time, it's a wonderful tinkering. So happy tinkering. So let's go on solar. Why burn fossil fuels? Okay, when sun is there in front of us, everywhere, wherever there's a sun ray, let's make use of sun energy, free energy, green energy. Okay, my dear friend. So sun god is there on our India almost 300 and above days to serve you all. So why you pay your electricity bills when sun can pay? Okay, so let sun pay your electrical bills now and then by tinkering all such kind of gadgets. Okay, anyway, I'll be demonstrating a functional video on this today's my tinkering, and there I'll be connecting many electrical appliances to work on the solar power plant. Okay, so till then, wait for that time. So make in India, made in India. Let's raise your skills at schools. So Skill India from School India. Okay, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Make in India, made in India, Skill India, School India. Jai Innovation, Jai Vignan. Thank you for watching and following me. Your Srinivas, science friend Srinivas from scientificstudents.com. Wait for the next upcoming videos to be added to this. Thank you all. Bye-bye. My dear students, this is your science friend Srinivas. Today, I'm going to install my forced air cooling system into my new innovation system for solar power. So here I wanted to cut and remove some portion of the wood for my box. So as I don't have that wood cutting that kind of axa, so I'm using my tinkering. So try understand how I'm making this. Okay, so I just made some drills, and later after I have inserted the blade, and just see how this cutting machine is going to work now. See, this cutting machine is going to see 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 my two hands are the arms of the machine. My two hands are synchronized. They are doing to and fro with a great balance. See how the cutting is going on. I hope you have enjoyed my style of cutting. So never blame the tools. A real engineer will never blame his tools. So I went almost all down to the bottom. So, my dear friends, you see, I have removed the blade, and see, I have cut here, I have cut here, I made a cut here. Now I can take out this piece, and then I can install my force cooling fan system here. So this is going to suck the air from the inside my hot air, and it will be throwing out from this. So this 60 by 30, I'm going to remove this now, and there I will be inserting this and using the screws. So this is how you need to make the tinkering, Happy tinkering. Your science friend Srinivas from scientificstudents.com/solarlab.html. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you later. Okay, bye. My dear students, this is your science friend Srinivas. As you all know that I am trying to innovate the best solar power conditioning unit. So finally, after continuous tinkering of 15 days, so from mid-July to mid-August, finally our newborn baby is going to be tested on this 14th of August 2023. But now, you see, I'm keep on tinkering it. So a lot of screws are tightening, loosening. So a lot of activities keep on going. So enter on this panel. So as I did a lot of work in a manual screwdriver and all, suddenly I found why can't we go this kind of use this kind of automated ones, right? So this is battery based chargeable. So again, the reason I ordered not only finish this product and also to make use of this particular gadget as another load on the same my unit, solar unit. So this is going to be another load, in fact. Okay, so I'll be tinkering this cordless drill to work on my solar power as well. So far, I have converted many electrical appliances to work on my solar power conditioning unit. Okay, so now what is that I'm specially wanted to show you here? You see, here is a button for forward and reverse. Okay, so now I wanted to open this particular screw which is already tightened for some other purpose. Okay, so I'm just opening it. See, this is tightening and other way around I'm opening it. Okay, now I wanted to take out this screw. You see, it has come out, right? Okay, now what I'm going to do, see, I just want to change the bit to this special bit. Okay, so I'm using this special bit. You need to observe what is the work I'm doing. Okay, so here I'm trying to do some counter using this counter bit. You saw that there's a, you see, I did. So on top only we have removed the wood, and again I'm going to put it into, you see. See, now I'm going to change the bit again. Why? Because why I'm changing the bit? So that I can tighten. Good morning, my dear students. This is your science friend Srinivas. I am tinkering today a new project. So in this project, I wanted to install here one of the energy meter. So I need to make a rectangular slot hole here with 85 and 45 mm dimensions. So I made some 4 drills, and then we have recently brought this attachment for my drill machine. This attachment, what it is doing is, how nicely it is working. See, I hope you enjoyed my cutting. So, we made some lines over here, and that lines we are cutting. Okay, now later we will slightly file it, and then we'll make sure our energy meter will go into this. Okay then, this is how we need to do the real tinkering.